Uh, hey everyone, how's everyone doing? Today I'm going to be doing a video of unboxing this 42-inch Hampton Bay Southwind ceiling fan. I found this at Goodwill for $6. Yeah, new in box. And odd thing is that it shows these brackets. But you actually get the ones just like that, but with the two bars in the middle. And it has ivory blades. And it's white. It's ivory and polished brass. Like the color of the white is ivory. Obviously, it's not made from ivory. You can read that if you want. Light kit adaptable, 3-speed, reversible motor. Forward blades, 3-year limited warranty, and of course UL listed. This reminds me of the time I got the Littleton for $5 at the garage sale, which was the elemental version, by the way. So we're gonna unbox it. So you got the insulation stuff in the instructions. Here's the blades. Now, let's pull this out. And we have the motor assembly. And I believe the switch cap is somewhere in here, but let's take out the blade arms also. And all the screws. And some more insulation things. Actually, yeah, those are the weights, I forgot. Those are the weights. That's basically the balancing kit. All the mounting, and there's a switch cap right there. Poaching fob, and fasteners. More, that's for the down rod. And these are for the blades, and those other ones are for the blade arms. If we get this little down rod, I think it's 6 inches, maybe shorter. And no box is complete without silica gel. Well, that's it for this unboxing video. Let's just set it like that. Here's the whole thing. Well, bye. And being Hampton Bay brand and not a company like Hunter, for example, it's Home Depot exclusive, and it's been around since 1986, so 32 years, almost. And they chose different manufacturers to make their fans. This one was made by Air-Cool. There was Southwinds that were made by SMC, but since this one has vents in the motor, it's been made by Air-Cool. And you can also tell it's the SMC one or not, because if the motor's flush with the motor housing rather than recessed to make the brackets flush with the housing, then that's SMC. But if the blade arms are flush with the housing, but instead of the motor itself, then that's Air-Cool. So there's SMC, Air-Cool, and maybe CEI for some of them. And Crest could have also made this, actually. Maybe not this particular one, but Crest did make some of these. So yeah,